He deserves that because he's a good boy?
Mom, did he hit him today?
Huh?
Did he hit you today?
No, he didn't.
And then give me this.
He deserves it. Good morning, kids.
Good morning.
Alo, did Ate give you a treat? You guys are being such good kids. Thank you, Ate. Are you looking after Alo? Aww. What day is today? A good day. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday, kids.
Happy Saturday, the mommy.
Aww.
Happy Saturday, and I got you fish.
Aww, you got her a fish.
Daddy's poo-poo, daddy's poo-poo, daddy.
Oh, you guys. Well, good morning, guys. It's Saturday. Kahapon, sabi ko, hindi ako mag-vlog today. But, ang dami kong nagawa this morning na sabi ko, uy, sana nag-vlog ako. No, the energy is very high this morning. Diba, kaka-organize ko lang ng aming, nandito ako sa aming laundry. Kaka-organize ko lang ng laundry namin after namin magpinas. And I reorganized it today, guys. Because, we are buying a dryer today. Natupad nga. Yung sabi ko kagabi na bibili si Dan ng dryer today. He's out now. He's gonna get my lunch. And then he will get the dryer. So, meron na kaming dryer na bibilhin. Nakita na niya online. Na-measure na niya and everything. Kasi pagdating niya galing dancing, I was organizing this. And hindi ko na may inisip na ngayon talaga. Inisip ko bukas or just before the baby comes. Yun yung inisip ko. So, I reorganized the laundry cabinets. It's all good. It's all done. Nakalabas na yung mga nappy ni baby. Wala na sa boxes yung mga pinamili ko. All done. Is someone calling me? I have laundry going kasi nagpalit kami ng sheets kahapon. So, Dan needs to hang that. Or, if the dryer gets installed today, we will just put it in the dryer to test it out. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, ayoko nang magtupi-tupi. Sampay, I mean. Ayoko na umakyat doon para magsampay. Pwede ko naman siyang gawin dito. Ang laki-laki ng laundry natin, hindi natin nagagamit ng tupian. Nagsasampay tayo doon. And doon ako nagtutupi sa taas kasi alam naman ibalik ko siya sa baba, diba? Sabi ko, we have a big counter here na I can tupi here. Kasi I like, gusto ko yung nagtutupi eh. Parang siya yung isa sa mga chore na nai-enjoy ko. Pati yung pagsasampay noon, nai-enjoy ko siya. Ngayon, sobrang dami na kasi naming damit. Dumadami na ang family members. So, hindi na siya ganun ka-convenient. Plus, now that I'm pregnant, it's really not that easy for me because I have to carry it and then go upstairs, hang it. So, we are finally getting a dryer now just to make my life easier. So yeah, we have to reorganize the setup of our laundry. So I'll show you guys. So we have a big laundry. Like this is bigger than the usual laundries na makikita nyo. And we have storage everywhere. So storage na yan lahat. Ito, storage to lahat. Hampers, dalawang hampers. So nandito yung mga maduming damit namin na galing sa taas. This is empty. I usually put the sheets here kung hindi pa ako ready na laban sila. Ito talaga yung lalagyan ng aming dryer. But because we really didn't feel the need to buy a dryer because hindi naman namin kinailangan yung dryer before, what I did was, nilagay ko itong Alex drawer dyan. And then yung nappy bin dyan, para hindi siya nakalabas, para maayos pa din, at malaki pa din tingnan yung ating laundry. So, nandyan yan siya sa loob, and nandyan yung mga nappies ni Arlo. So, kapag kailangan ko siyang palitan, hindi ko na kailangan umakyat, nandito na ako sa baba. And we have this changing pad here. So, what we're doing now is, ilagay yung dryer dyan. This Alex drawer, I need to empty and move it up here. So, i-move ko siya here. So, still I have access sa mga kailangan ko because I will still have the changing area here. But first, I need to empty that one para malagay doon and organize it as well kasi kailangan na natin mag-ready ng mga nappy ni Indy dyan and nappies ni Arlo and then the baby necessities and then I need to clean there kasi hindi yan nililinis ni Kuya kasi hindi naman to nilalabas ni Kuya. So, yun yung nangyari sa aking morning. And wait, kunin ko lang yung phone ko kasi feeling ko tatawag sila. Sabi ko na eh. Sorry, what was it?
That's alright. Is it a rolled up place or shaped like tea house cafe?
Rolled up. I think it's nasi goreng.
Okay, that's going to rice with barbecue pork and choice.
Yes. Oh, good. Thank you na lang. Bye. Tapos pagdating ni Dan kanina galing dancing, ang ano dito guys, medyo magulo kasi nga nag-reorganize ako, di ba? Sabi niya, ano ka ba? Manganganak ka ngayon sa mga pinaggagawa mo. Bukas na yung iba. Tatawa naman. So, hindi naman tayo like pinagalitan ng bongga. Sabi ko lang, we have to do it anyway. I'm just gonna do it slowly and carefully. So, sabi niya, sige na nga, bilhin na nga lang ako ng ano ngayon dryer para matulungan kita. And my nail just popped off. Kakalagay lang natin ito nung Thursday. Just popped off this one. Hello? And then this nail here, hindi naman siya natanggal, but nahiwa yung nail na yan. Yeah. Dami ko kasing pinagagawa, guys. Ibalik ko lang tong nail na to kasi ang bilis lang nito. Na-organize ko din yung aking nail stuff. So every time I need to do my nails, all I have to do is take this thing out. And nandito na lahat na kailangan for my nails. So that's very easy. I did that this morning as well. Okay, asa na yung diba? Wala pa dito yung glue. Nasa taas. Ang taas-taas pa ng energy natin kasi nakasimula pa lang ng araw. Mamayang gabi, paano na naman tayo pag ganun? Tapos doon na naman sasakit yung tiyan. But right now, I'm feeling good, good, good. I'm just gonna pop this back on and then I'll be back. Oh my gosh! Ayla! Ay, nako! Oh my gosh, Alo, who gave it to you?
Oh, dear.
Ate did? You are so lucky!
Mommy,
Huh?
I don't like it.
What don't you like?
I think,
Oh no. What are you doing?
hmm.
Snake!
What's the most?
Yes? Snake? So big! I'm so scared! I'm scared, Alo! No, I don't like! I don't like snakes! Did Ate give you some? What do you say to Ate? There you go! There you go there. si Dan. Yung dryer nasa car pa. Tinawagan namin yung niya, asawa ng kambal niya para tulungan siya. So he will be here in an hour para ilagay yung dryer natin. But our Alex drawer is already up here. O, diba? Very seamless. As in, tamang-tama lang talaga yung size niya, guys. Nilagyan ko din siya ng ano dito. There, ito ba? Yung ganito. Yan. And then, ilalagay ko na dito yung mga nappies. Because sa ngayon, nakalabas yung mga nappies, guys. Ilalagay ko sa pinakababa yung nappies ni baby kasi yun yung lagi natin gagamitin. Yung ditong dalawa, Arlo. And then yung pinakataas is hindi ko abot. So, hindi ko yung gagamitin. Actually, hindi ko din abot yung pangalawa. Yung pangatlo, yeah. Yung pangatlo yung kita. So, baby's nappies, Arlo's nappies. So, I'm gonna put in these nappies on the first two ones.
Ew, nappies. Ew, disgusting. Mommy, can I help you?
Oh, baby, of course you can. I'm gonna just take up some, so it's easier for you to take up. There you go. Now you give it to Mama.
Daniel.
Thank you, Gil.
Daniel.
Oh my gosh, look how tiny it is. It is
You're
so
but
tiny.
boy. Daniel.
Oh,
Daniel. Daniel.
okay, tigis isa. Okay. Good helping, baby. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
I love you, Bum Bum.
You love my bum bum.
I love life.
You have the perfect
I
bum
love
bum
you,
girl.
Bum Bum Mommy. I love you. Why my alligator?
What?
My alligator. Oh, I made a mess.
Uh-oh, Arlo made a mess. Actually, because these are really tiny, I think we can just get away with this one. Yeah. Kasi ang liliit niya ito, so ang dami ko nang nalagay. So, pwede kay Arlo yung dalawa, tapos hindi natin gagamitin yung taas na hindi ko kabot. Oh my God. So cute. So cute.
Mommy.
Baby?
Can I please have your lips?
Oh, sure.
I can open it though.
Let me help you. This is the one that you ruined already. Alright, after you use it, give it to me, please.
What?
Thank you, so I can put it away.
I wasn't in a sister ruined it.
Hmm?
I wasn't in this. I ruined it.
No, you were not little when you ruined it. You were already 3 when you ruined it. Silly Billy.
Mom.
Hi, baby.
Feel me. Huh? I feel me.
Isla's being mean.
I saw you, Mom.
You'll show me?
Show me.
What happened?
Mommy, I love you.
Alright, give it to me. Oh no, baby. Show Daddy.
Daddy, touch me.
Time check. Alauna. Tapos na ako dun sa laundry for now. Hintayin na lang natin na dumating yung pupunta sila ng park. Magpapaiwan ako dito kasi tatapusin ko lahat na kailangan kong tapusin. I need to fold the clothes upstairs, yung nilaban natin kahapon, mga damit ni baby. But before that, kain muna tayo. Nagpabili ako ng nasi goreng. Half lang, hindi ko ito mauubos. Ito yung nasi goreng na may barbecue pork and prawns. Pero hindi ko kinakain yung prawns. Tinatabi ko. Kain tayo? Anong inumin natin dyan? Magtubig lang ako. Don't kick it over the fence, huh? Oh no, Ola! Oh, well done. That was a good one. Good kick. Oh! Yeah, she's got good kick.
I didn't. It wasn't. No!
you, Milo. Where is he? There?
Milo!
Check on him.
Should we play? Milo!
He likes it there. Ayla, leave that there. Leave that. Yeah, just leave it there, Baba. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, Alo, 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 Alo. Look at Alo. You alright, mate? He's coming. Go, Alo. Go, go, go. Oh, no, Alo. Got the dryer, guys. Ang ganda na itsura. Iba yung brand niya kaysa sa dito sa isa. So, hindi sila matchy-matchy. Matagal na kasi to. But still really good. LG. And we got the Bosch one. Sabi nila maganda daw yung reviews. Kaya lang yung problema, kailangan namin ng extension cord. Kasi right now, nakakonect siya dyan. And dapat i-connect namin siya pa ilalim. Meron kaming ano dito. PowerPoint. Para hindi kita yung PowerPoint dyan. Lusot dyan. Tapos may PowerPoint dito. Sa loob. So, bukas na to, mako-connect ng maayos. But it looks nice. Ganda ni itsura. Gusto ko siya.
Seriously.
So, the dryer works.
No, it doesn't. These are really damn still. Seriously. Yeah, how are you gonna afford that?
That's easy.
Yeah, that's a little one.
Oh, guys, we installed the dryer. Dad said, oh, it will be installed tomorrow because he needs a, extension cord. But we have extension cord.
No, I brought that today.
Did you?
It's
So the other extension cords, what's the difference between the other extension cords that we have?
size.
The size? Too long? Okay.
See? Yeah, and I haven't stopped. I've worked all day today. I haven't had any rest today at all.
Yeah, who rested?
You.
You're right. You gonna help me with the big one?
I'll get back on that choice.
So I set it to duvet and it says 4 hours and 18 minutes. 4 hours and 18 minutes.
Which you should only use during the daytime. Like,
I know.
seriously, why do you
We're
put that
testing it out. This man has been complaining all day, so just...
I'm tired. I'm overworked.
Yeah, overworked.
Overworked.
He's overworked on the weekend just installing the dryer. Overworked. Oh! Here. Hold on. Thank you. It's a bit damp still.
A little bit. It's too full.
Yeah.
That's why, like, if you
Well, it
Like-
shouldn't be this much.
put way too much in there.
Because with this, you have to check the weather and it's been raining. So I can't really wash it. That's why we need the dryer. It's a bit...
Where's my wet clothes?
Yeah? Not washed yet.
Are they in one of these, are they?
Yeah. If you wash tomorrow, it will dry tomorrow.
It has been dry tomorrow. I gotta wear it the next day.
Yeah, so we have to
Should
dry
we-
it now.
I would have only though I washed it myself on Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. Where's this one from?
Huh?
This is really old. You
No, this is for the guest room. The heck? Hey boy.
I don't know.
Seriously.
I don't like the dryer. Seriously. And it's,
You're such a dryer hater.
it's never bothered me hanging outside.
It's never bothered you? You're
No.
right. You're complaining now. How much more if you have to hang this outside? I can do this. Go relax. It's good, guys. Ginamit namin kanina, ang tahimik niya lang. Ikaw na talaga nakapajamas na dahil hindi ka pa naliligo. Let's go take a shower, Baba.
Mommy said I can bring this.
You can bring it to the shower, yes.
See?
Oopsies. Alright, let's go.
You don't want to put it.
Maganda sana kung kamachi-machi nito. Maganda yung itsura nito. Tapos medyo mas flat pa siya compared dyan. But, that's really good still. I love that washing machine. Alright, let's
You
go.
know what's up now?
No, not up.
Bye, choo-choo.
Alright, let's go.
What? That was what's this? What's out?
Oh my god.
That was the big one. Go. I'm going to do it.
Watch out, Alo.
Ah!
Go, ate. Oh, well done. Was that a good one?
Yeah.
That's good. You feel good? Ups. Oh, ano yun, Arlo? Lagay si Arlo baso.
Can you do this?
Oh,
Can you?
no, I can't do that.
Why?
Because, you know why. Why?
Can you have a baby and can you help you?
I have a baby in my tummy, that's right. Careful. Careful, Lalo. Alright, say goodnight to the guys.
Good night, Daddy.
No, guys, say goodnight to the guys.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, Daddy. Hindi ka matutulog. My gosh. After nila mag-park kanina, natulog to. Ang tagal na gising. 7:30 na ng gabi. Oh no, where's T-Rex? Oy! So matutulog ka mamayang madaling araw. Alarms na. Huh? You okay, ate? What happened? Oh no. Mami, kispera.